AI is changing everything about how we work and build wealth, and it's happening faster than most people realize. In this video, I'll break down who wins, who loses, and how you can actually benefit from the AI revolution that's reshaping the global economy.
Every major company is pouring billions into artificial intelligence, not for hype, but for one reason: productivity. AI allows tasks that once took hours to be done in seconds, and that shift changes where profits and jobs go. Unlike past technologies that replaced muscle work, AI replaces thinking tasks: research, writing, design, analysis. This means the value of simple knowledge work drops, while the value of ownership, creativity, and leverage skyrockets. Companies aren't just cutting costs, they're redesigning entire workflows around automation. McKinsey estimates AI could add up to $4 trillion annually to global GDP, mostly by doing existing tasks faster and cheaper. But there's a catch. Productivity gains don't automatically mean higher wages for workers. Historically, new technologies created new jobs, but AI may be different. It can perform cognitive work better and cheaper than humans. That's why some economists warn AI could widen the gap between those who own technology and those who just work with it. Corporations benefit first. Lower costs, higher margins, bigger market share. For them, AI is a profit amplifier. For individuals, though, the adjustment can be painful, especially in roles that depend on predictable, repeatable tasks. Routine analysts, basic coders, support roles, these are among the most exposed, according to OECD research. But AI also creates leverage for people who learn to use it. It can turn one person into a small team's worth of output. Freelancers, creators, small businesses, those who combine creativity with AI tools can scale like never before. This shift rewards ownership of capital, data, or content, because AI multiplies what you already control. So how do you stay on the winning side? Step 1, build AI literacy. Understand how to use these tools in your own field. Step 2, attach AI to valuable problems: efficiency, insights, or content creation that saves time or money. Step 3, turn what you learn into assets. Build products, audiences, or automated systems that keep earning even when you sleep. For investors, AI is both a risk and an opportunity. Risk if it disrupts the companies you own. Opportunity if you own the disruptors. The infrastructure layer, chips, cloud, and data, is where most profits flow first, just like in past tech booms. Next come the application builders, companies turning AI into productivity tools, agents, and platforms. But timing matters. High spending now may compress profits short-term, before the payoff arrives. For most people, the safest move is diversification. Own a broad mix and learn where AI adds or removes value. Economically, we could see faster productivity growth, but also more inequality unless policy and education adapt. Governments may respond with training incentives or social policies, but adaptation starts with individuals like us. AI isn't the end of human work. It's the end of work that doesn't evolve. The winners are learners and builders. So ask yourself, how can I use AI to multiply my time, income, or impact over the next year? Because AI will reshape wealth faster than any technology before. And the earlier you adapt, the more you gain.
Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this brought you useful insights and a fresh perspective that supports you on your financial journey. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. I wish you success on your journey. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.